Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain po tayo ng buong may kapal. And now, the Chief Justice of the Republic of the Philippines wishes to be excused.
If Your Honor, please. The Chief Justice, as respondent in this case, had been on the witness stand and testified for more than 3 hours.
Wait a minute.
He's not been discharged.
No, I'm not discharging him. I'm making a manifestation. Ha?
Sabihin natin, we're intent to close.
Order. We have not discharged the Chief Justice. With due respect to him.
Hindi naintindihan. Sabi mo. Akala, discharge na siya. Hindi, tawagin mo.
Counsel for the defense, will you kindly
Yes, Your Honor.
advise your
Balikan natin.
client to return to the witness stand? I respect him as a Chief Justice, but this court must be respected. Quiet.
May I request for, there was misunderstanding, Your Honor. May I request even for 1 minute, Your Honor? We'll have him called back, Your Honor.
All right.
I am very sure it is not out of disrespect to the court, Your Honor.
Session suspended for 1 minute. Please let the Chief Justice come back. Sergeant Atang.
Okay, medyo nakakagulat talaga ang nangyari nitong nakaraang 3 minuto lamang, Attorney Mel. Ang nangyari po ngayon ay pagkatapos ng isang madramang katapusan sa kanyang testimonya kung saan pumirma siya ng isang waiver para uliratin ang kanya mga bank accounts, both peso and dollar, ay hinamon din niya ang lahat ng 188 na pumirma sa impeachment complaint, pati na si Senator Franklin Drilon, na pumirma rin sa isang blankong waiver para ang kanila ring mga bank account ay maaari ring uliratin. Tinawag niya itong moment of truth. At para bang hindi pa sapat ang dramang yan, ay pagkatapos niya sa kanyang testimonya, ay bigla na lamang siyang tuloy-tuloy na lumabas ng impeachment court nang hindi pa dinidismiss o dinidischarge ni Senate President Enrile. Kaya't medyo may konting pagkakastiga si Senate President Enrile sa depensa, dahil yung depensa dapat, ang kanya mga lawyer, ang dapat sanang pumigil sa kanya. At sinabi nga ni Senate President Enrile, ginalang nila ang Chief Justice at dapat lang daw na sila rin ay galang.